birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless and take care. You know what? I miss you. Even though nung bakasyon lang tayo nagkakakilala. We had a lot of fun together. Do we wait? I miss the banding. See you soon. Love you.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. Sorry if we can stay beside you on your day. And remember that we miss you. Even though we want you to join there, guys, we can. Happy birthday again. I love you. I miss you. See you soon. God bless.
Team, happy birthday. I miss the balot, the save more, the angels. Take care.
Birthday. Miss you. Ingat palagi ah.
Hello, Kim. Happy birthday. Sana huwag magbabago ang iyong attitude. Laging behave kay mommy and daddy. I miss you and I love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Kim. More birthday to come and good health and God bless.